U-33 may refer to one of the following German submarines. Edem U-33. Germany was a Type U-31 submarine launched in 1914 and that served in the First World War until surrendered on 16 January 1919. During the First World War, Germany also had these submarines with similar names. Edem UB-33. A Type UB-2 submarine launched in 1915 and sunk on the 11th of April 1918. Edem UC-33. A Type UC-2 submarine launched in 1916 and sunk on the 26th of September 1917. German submarine U-33. 1936. A Type VIIA submarine that served in the Second World War until sunk on 12 February 1940. German submarine U-33. S-183. A Type 212 submarine of the Bundesmarine that was launched in 2004 and in active service.